Hey, Kaavia, you want some bitties? Yeah? You ready for a snack?
Yeah.
Huh? You ready for a snack? Yeah? Okay. You can have some bitsies, but you gotta wait, okay? Okay, you gotta wait till I get back, all right? Okay. Okay. I'll be right back. Kav, don't eat any bitsies. Kav, are you waiting? Are you waiting? Are you patient? Kav? Kav? Did you eat the bitsies? You ate the bitsies? I thought we were gonna wait. No? Well, go ahead, have the bitsies.
I'm gonna give you 3 of them, but wait, you have to wait till mommy comes back, okay? I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
So let me go to the bathroom, and then you can have it, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna wait for mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, wait for me, and then you can have 3, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait for me.
Okay. Patience.